guys, welcome back to Science Skills and Life Skills with Vikhyath Kiran. So today we'll be learning more about JavaScript. So specifically we'll be learning about functions. So in the last few videos we had learned about booleans, null values, undefined values, objects and arrays and variables and so on. So today we'll be learning about functions. So the first step to about a function is to declare it. So to declare a function, you need to use the keyword function and then give the name of the function. So since this is going to be a simple function, we are just going to give uh, one function called console log, give a parenthesis, and then give braces. Okay. So inside these braces, we are going to give a command. We are going to give commands for the function. So since it's a simple function, we're going to console log. Just a second. So we're going to console log a string like hello world. Okay. So uh, now just declaring it won't help. You need to also call the function. So to call a function, you need to first take the function's name console log and then give a parenthesis and then obviously terminate it with a semicolon. So functions are useful when you need to repeat many commands in many times. So if you need to use an if condition again and again and again, you can use the functions instead of giving many if conditions altogether. So I've cleared the console. Now if I F5, as you can see, it has given hello world. Now I'm going to show you what will happen if I, if I don't call this function. So if I don't call this function, save it, just clear it. As you can see, hello world has not come. So always remember to call the function if you have declared one. Uh, Now we are going to learn basics of if condition as well. So uh, for this, for declaring an if condition, you need to first give the keyword if, as I've given here, and give a parenthesis. So inside these parentheses, you're going to give the condition. So if this is equal to this, right? So for this, I'm going to create two arrays. Okay, by arrays, I'm sorry, I meant booleans. So uh, let me just get one make one boolean. So let option uh, option two option uh, should be equal to false. So I'm purposely making both these booleans as false so that the if condition will be triggered. Obviously, if I just keep it like this, it won't be triggered. So I'll be showing that. I'll just remove this console log because that will confuse a bit. It'll be confusing. Okay, so now inside these parentheses, as I told you before, we'll be giving the condition. So if option is equal to sorry, equal to uh, option 2, then uh, give the braces, and inside these braces we are going to we are going to write the command if what will happen if this is triggered. So for that, inside these braces you're going to give the command, right? So the console log, we're going to log it, console.log, and inside this let's just give a random number. Okay, Sorry. All right. And now let's save it and see. So as you can see, this has come. That random number had come because this condition was true. So if conditions are only triggered if the condition inside it is true. Uh, by true, I don't mean the boolean true. I mean that it's the option and option two is the same. So not only booleans, if condition can be used for any two objects, arrays, and so on. So we can also give an else statement, like an if else statement. So for an else statement, you need to give the keyword else. So make sure that it's at the right below the if condition, and then braces, and then we can give the command. So console log uh, wrong option, no spaces in between. Okay, and here we are going to give correct option. Okay, just to uh, not be confused. Okay, so now let's save it and just a second. Okay, yeah. So you have to give an inverted comma because it's a string, right? Otherwise, if you give it like this, it'll think it's a variable, and the computer will search where that variable is declared, but it's not. That's why I gave and I got reference error. So if you are typing a string, always remember to give the inverted commas. Okay, now let's save it. Clear. As you can see, it has given correct option because the booleans are the same. Now, if I change from false to true, see what's going to happen. As you can see, it has given wrong option because the else statement is triggered. So instead of the if statement, the else statement is triggered because uh, option 1 was not equal to option 2. Because of that, it went to the else statement. Alright. And if we give one exclamation mark next to the equal to, just a second, just a second. Okay, so with exclamation followed by equal to means not equal to, right? So equal to means uh, equal to, but this exclamation mark followed by equal to means not equal to. So if option 1 is not equal to option 2, then the console log correct option. So I hope you understand what I mean. So since the this option 2 and option are different, that means it's not equal to it, correct option should this correct option should be coming in the console log. uh, okay, so before I had some trouble, so I did not correct much. So as you can see, it's the same thing, and it has come as correct option. Why? Because it is not equal to this. This command is being triggered. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.